So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Solana in your first home savings account or your FHSA on Wealthsimple. And if you want to sign up for a Wealthsimple account, I'll just go ahead here and show you guys my referral link. If you guys use the referral link on the screen or it's down below in the description, when you sign up, you get some free money, I get some free money, and you are entered to win in $1 million home. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, we'll go to the bottom left here, press on the magnifying glass, and go to the search bar. And I want you to type in ticker symbol SOLQ and then press on this. Once you're on the Solana staking ETF, I want you to go to the bottom left, press on select an account, make sure your FHSA or your first home savings account is selected, and then press on buy. On this page, you can type the amount of shares you want to buy. So one share, for example, is this much if you want a fractional buy. $1 is this much if you want to proceed. Press on review. And if all looks good, you want to finalize the transaction. Once again, make sure your account selected is your first home savings account. Go to the bottom. For me, press on Q. For you, could be buy, whatever time of day it may be. Press buy, and then finalize your transaction that way. So that's how you guys can buy Solana in your first home savings account or your FHSA using Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.